Oh, I'm just enjoying the Barcelona sunset. Look at that. Can you see? Ah, isn't that fabulous? Okay, series of questions that you guys have got. So one of them is, who's vital in your power team? And you've got the kind of I can't say the word, preliminary people, and then you've got the other people who are secondary but still super important. So vital for you as a property investor is definitely your lawyers, your conveyancing lawyers. You won't get properties bought without really, really good quality conveyancing lawyers. And if you have quite slow, quite poor, quite reactive, quite risk adverse as opposed to quite proactive, let's make this thing happen, property lawyers, the deals they'll slide through your fingers. So your lawyers are utterly critical. Secondly is definitely your accountant and your bookkeeper, because you don't want to be sat there at the end of the year, and we've all done it, I've done it myself, like the whole, your living room just stacked full of all of your invoices, and then you're like, oh my goodness, my profit and loss. I use fintech, so I use Xero, Xero, and I literally am always 1 week away from knowing exactly what all of my businesses are like for their profit and loss and their balance sheet, because my bookkeeper works every week, and then I can just check on them. So today is Tuesday, and I am 6 days out of my business being entirely up to date. Tomorrow she'll update it. I've already scanned everything to her today. So you're a lawyer first, your accountant, your bookkeeper, and then the last person who's critical and vital early days as your power team is your financial advisor, your IFA, independent financial advisor. And again, your success will rise and fall on the quality of person that you find. So you can have computer says no financial advisors, okay, fine, computer says no. We ain't pass and go, no use. Or you can have financial advisors who are proactive, focused, and they really know their banks. And so they might go to some of the, what you might call the challenger banks, and actually find you great mortgage deals. There you go, I'm trying to find you a lovely view. So those are the real key people in the early days. And then of course later on, of course, it's your builders, your trades. But as you've probably noticed, if you've Googled, there are hundreds and hundreds of builders. To find the right one is amazing, but it might take you a little while. And then for me these days, because I've got a large portfolio, who's critical to me? Well, bookkeeper, accountant, lawyers, and then handyman is actually, I've got a very long-standing working relationship and friendship with my handyman, who's just brilliant, and he can pretty much more or less fix anything. So I know that my properties, because I'm on the maintenance side now, I've got a large portfolio, I know they're in really good, oh look at the moon, I know that they're in really good hands. So I think your needs change a little bit over time. There you go. I hope that helps. At least that gives you kind of like a push to get launched and get started, really, doesn't it? And if this is useful, give the video a like, because it'll help other people find the vid as well, and it'll be nice for them. If it's useful to somebody else, just send it on to them, will you? And maybe if you want to subscribe, because I've got loads of great videos coming out for you, click the subscribe button. And if you want to have a look at our website, it's thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. It's stacked full of good content for you. Good luck. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're a community. Get all the vids you need so that you can succeed.